In our medical assistant program at MTECH, you will learn how to draw blood, place an IV, perform an EKG, assist the provider with in-house surgical procedures, write out prescriptions, learn all about different medications and how they affect your patients, how to chart and take vitals. You'll have a lot of hands-on practice. You do practice on each other so that by the time you get out into a doctor's office, you are very comfortable dealing with other people. When you complete this program, you will be qualified to sit for the national exam. Many doctors' offices will also pay you more per hour being nationally certified. Once you complete this program, if you choose, working as a medical assistant can count as points to help you get into PA school or medical school. The outlook for medical assistants is amazing. So many places are constantly looking for new hires. The industry comes looking for our students because they are so well prepared. Once a student goes to a clinic, I receive texts and emails from those clinics requesting that we send as many as possible. I have seen students' lives change while attending the medical assistant program, where they will come in very nervous and unsure of themselves, and realizing that just having a different learning style, they're able to gain confidence and realize that they have something to contribute to this community and the workforce. We welcome everybody and every type of learning style, and we work hard to make sure that you get the best education possible.